Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers on your PC with a keyboard. This exciting endless runner game, originally designed for mobile devices, can be enjoyed on a larger screen with more precise controls. To achieve this, you will need to use an Android emulator, which simulates a mobile environment directly on your computer. This allows you to install and run mobile applications just as you would on a smartphone, providing a seamless gaming experience. The first step is to choose a suitable Android emulator for your computer. Popular and effective options include BlueStacks, LD Player, and MEmu. Once you have made your selection, navigate to its official website and download the installer. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to install the emulator on your PC. After installation, launch the program and sign in using your Google account to gain access to the vast library of applications available on the Google Play Store. With your emulator set up, open the Google Play Store within it and search for Subway Surfers. Click the Install button to download and install the game, just like you would on a mobile device. Once installed, you can start playing using your keyboard. The up arrow key makes your character jump, while the down arrow key allows you to roll under obstacles. Use the left and right arrow keys to dodge trains and barriers, and press the spacebar to activate your hoverboard for a temporary shield. To enhance your Subway Surfers experience, consider customizing the keyboard controls within your emulator's settings. You can reassign keys to better suit your playstyle. Additionally, adjust the graphics quality and screen resolution for a more visually appealing game on your larger display. For optimal performance, ensure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and 5 GB of free disk space. Enjoy the precision and comfort of playing this exciting game with your keyboard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.